Okay, second identity here. You can read it there for yourself what it is. Again, I'm going to start with the left-hand side again because I feel like I can do more with that. But again, that's kind of up to you. And I see that I have two fractions. So I'm going to try to get a common denominator and see where we go. So if I have a common denominator, it would be quantity secant of x minus 1 times quantity of secant x plus 1. So that means I need a quantity secant of x plus 1 here. Secant of x plus 1. Okay, and then it would be minus. This guy needs a secant of x minus 1. And my new denominator, okay, if I were to FOIL that out, my new denominator, I'll write it out for some of you maybe. That would be secant of x minus 1, secant of x plus 1. Okay, remember I haven't touched the right-hand side. You're not supposed to. Okay, so let's clean this up. So in your numerator, let's see, the secants will cancel, and this will become a positive 1, so it looks like we'll get a 2 divided by. If I FOIL the bottom, that will be a secant squared of x, and then a minus 1. Again, nothing has happened to the right. This is looking pretty promising. So now, if you look at your identities that we talked about before, secant squared of x minus 1, hey, that's tan squared of x. Again, nothing happened to the right. And so, 1 over tan squared of x, that's cotangent squared, which is what I needed to get. Again, I'm done with my verification with my proof.